Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine and doing well. Our today's lecture is for class 6th from the book of Science Fact File 1, chapter 2, page number 23, and our today's topic is organ system. In our previous lecture we have an overlook of organ system, and today we will study in depth about the first organ system, that was breathing system. So before going toward breathing system, let's have an overview of previous lecture. In previous lecture we have studied about how the cells combine to form tissues and tissues later combine to form organs, and that organs work together in the form of group and form a system that is known as organ system. We have different organs in our organ system, and all the organs have their particular function. So let's move toward the first system, that is breathing system. So let's talk about the process that goes on all the time in our body. We breathe in and breathe out. That's what we do throughout. We breathe because we need oxygen to live. Oxygen is the reason why you are breathing. Your body will need more oxygen when you do any work. That's why whenever we are doing work, we have shortening of breath. And when we have more shortening of breath, we will collect oxygen from our environment, and for this purpose we increases the rate of breathing, as well as the pressure of breathing is also increases. So it's very clear, without oxygen you will be like a car without fuel or a pond without water. So in the first step, when you breathe in, the air passes from your nose and that enters into your nose through the two openings that are known as the nostrils. There are hairs present. That tiny hairs obstruct all the dust particles with the help of mucus, which could be dangerous for your respiratory system. From here, the air is moved toward the windpipe, that is also known as trachea. The later branches out into two tubes known as bronchi, and it has tiny hairs which are known as cilia, and they move back and forth to move the mucus inside, and mucus is the sticky material that is responsible for absorbing the dust particles that could be harmful for our lungs and their functioning. So this bronchi enters the air into the both lungs. The left lung has three partitions. It means it have three lobes, and the right lung has only, and the right lung has two lobes due to the presence of heart, and it gives space to the heart. These lobes are covered with small and spongy structures which are known as alveoli. These are air-filled bags and very tiny in size. So this is the basic part where the main function of respiratory system is taken place, which is the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen. So here our blood is get mixed with oxygen, and carbon dioxide is excreted from this, and we can take breath smoothly. If there is some dysfunctioning present in your lungs, you would not be able to take breath normal. And the right beneath your lungs, a dome-shaped structure that is known as your diaphragm that is present. When you take breath in, it contracts and relax when you breathe out. So in today's lecture, we have a little overview of breathing system. Students, do you know how many times we take breath in a day? Answer is round about 20,000 times we take breath in a single day. So today we have studied about breathing that we do throughout. I hope you all have good understanding of breathing and respiratory system. Thank you very much for your attention.